Intro. Welcome back to RideMXO. Today we're checking out the Toyota Land Cruiser LC300, a legendary SUV that combines luxury, power, and unmatched off-road capability. Let's see why this SUV is loved worldwide. Bold exterior design. The LC300 immediately catches your eye with its bold, muscular stance. Its massive grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharp body lines give it a premium yet rugged look. This SUV is designed to dominate both city streets and rough terrains. Luxury-filled interior. Step inside, and the LC300 impresses with its spacious, high-quality cabin. Premium leather seats, a modern touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced climate control make every journey comfortable. It's perfect for families and adventurers alike. Powerful performance. The LC300 comes with a choice of a V6 twin-turbo or V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. Its advanced 4WD system, adjustable suspension, and off-road driving modes make it capable of handling deserts, mountains, and everything in between. Advanced safety and tech. Safety is a priority with the LC300. It comes loaded with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and multiple airbags. Toyota's latest driver assistance technologies make every ride safer and stress-free. Off-road excellence. Whether climbing steep trails or navigating muddy paths, the LC300's off-road capability is unmatched. Features like crawl control, multi-terrain select, and locking differentials ensure you can tackle extreme conditions with confidence. Conclusion. The Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 is the perfect mix of luxury, power, and ruggedness. It's more than a vehicle, it's an adventure companion that's ready for anything. Outro. Thanks for watching RideMXO. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews.